Hi, I'm Shannon Rollings with Shannon Rollings Real Estate. Today here with a new tool for you for your tool belt if you're a buyer out there trying to secure a home in this competitive multiple bid offer market that we're in right now. I've got a new tool for you if you've been out there looking for a home and you seem to find good floor plans, good homes, but they just need too much updating. Needs a new roof, new heating and air, needs new kitchen appliances. Well, here is the perfect program for you. It's called a 203K Repair FHA loan, and it's a limited repair loan. So how it works is that there is a limit of up to $35,000 that can be used for these kind of improvements. There's a set list of improvements that can be approved. They cannot be structural repairs in nature. It can't be moving walls, things like that. But there is an approved list of things that I'll share with you. So how it works is if you have a house, for instance, $200,000, you know there's multiple people wanting this house, so you go ahead and make your offer like normal, $200,000 or maybe $205,000 in order to secure the contract, get it under contract with an FHA loan. You go to the lender that you've already talked to ahead of time to be sure you can qualify for this type of loan. And then you and the lender work together with your agent to get bids from licensed contractors to repair, replace the roof, the heating and air, and the appliances, if those are the things that you identified were important. The property can go up to 110% of the appraised value with the improvements. So there's a lot of opportunity there. Use this program to your advantage. If you're out there in the market looking for a home, give me a call if you need to know more about this program. I can turn you on to our great lender who's done a fabulous job helping several of our clients accomplish their goals and get the property they want and get the improvements they want done and not have to come out of pocket $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 after closing to get these improvements made. They're wrapping it right into their loan, but there are specific requirements and only certain improvements can be done. Give me a call, send me an email, I'd be glad to assist you. Or if you know somebody else that's in the market looking, share this video with them. I'd be glad to help them as well. My team and I are on standby 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., ready to assist you. Give us a call. We look forward to helping you.